3 weeks ago, I started getting the feeling that I was always being watched. It seemed like no matter where I was, a presence followed. Until one night, he came for me. So tonight we received a pretty interesting and pretty urgent ring request from the Michael Myers. So in spirit of Halloween, and also because we don't want this guy to kill us, we're gonna see if we can't come up with a very unique and cool ring. My thought is to combine Antler and glow powder and see if we can't create a cool Halloween themed ring. Come check it out. So to start off, we're going to sand down our ring blank, and we're going to use a material called zirconium, which is a very anti-corrosive metal that's actually used in nuclear reactors, if you didn't know. And it's actually also very flammable. It creates these cool sparks, and the shavings can actually spontaneously combust. I found this out the hard way the first time I ever worked with it, and almost set my whole lathe and shop on fire. Good thing, and thank goodness for fire extinguishers. So here we are just finishing it out to Michael's ring size, and we're gonna put a comfort fit on it. I even got a little assistance from Mike while working on this ring. He's a great help. Next, to give the ring a darker look, we're torching the zirconium, which creates a hard black oxidized layer. Zirconium was one of the few metals that holds a true black finish after a proper heat treatment. After that, we're gonna cut off a chunk of our spooky antler horn to overlay onto the ring. And here we're going to use our Dremel tool to bring the antler to the exact size so that it fits onto the metal. Hey Mike, can you pass me that glue? Here we use a CA glue to adhere the antler to the metal, and for those of you that don't know, CA glue is very similar to super glue, but it's specifically designed for materials such as wood and antler. It's really hard to get off your fingers too. After clamping it together, we wait about 15 minutes for the glue to fully cure. We had a lot of fun playing with the glow powder. This stuff is so cool. After you shine a UV light onto it, similar to being out in the sun, it will glow for hours. Hey Mike, can we get some more glow powder over here please? Antler is a very porous material. We chose this specifically for this project so that we could fill the holes with the glow powder. You'll see that we use a combination of the CA glue, some glow powder, and a flat metal tool to fill all the gaps and voids. Then after sanding down the excess glow inlay on the lathe, you'll see we're going to apply a generous amount of a thin CA glue to coat, seal, and protect the ring for years to come. This ring turned out better than we had hoped for. After lots of thought, we decided to name it the Glantler ring, short for glowing antler. The glow powder really contrasts against the other materials, especially in the dark. Hey Mike, finished your ring, hope you like it, man. Although it looks normal in the daylight, it glows in the dark. All we ask for in exchange for the ring is that you don't kill us. I'm assuming that's a yes. Hope you guys found this video fun. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and check out our future videos, and comment below your ideas for new ring videos, and you might just be featured in our next upcoming ring video. See you next time, and happy Halloween. If you don't subscribe, we're gonna send Mike after you. But seriously, he's a killer.